Well, 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 well. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome to another beautiful day in Nha Trang, Vietnam. I hope you guys are all doing well. Happy Monday. Today, we are on a vitamin D collection stream. We're going to go for a long, isolated walk, and there's mountains. There's hills over yonder, and I want to see if I can finally get to those. Okay, chat? That's what the plan is for today. What the heck? It's a big boy right there. It's got some girth to it. Why do people do this? What is this for? They just put rice and bread out on the street. This is the second time I've seen this. It only happens in like local neighborhoods too. See, we're getting to the spot where no foreigners come. When people start looking at you crazy. Looks like right here we might be able to buy a water. I think we need some type of hydration. Thank you so much. Have a good day. We're going through abandoned buildings. This is my new home. Is it dangerous to be walking? Oh, there's rusty nails everywhere. This is the new streamer house, Vietnam. I'm inviting everybody. Rob Hitch. There's snakes in here, definitely. What about this one? This one's even crazier. Hold on, let's walk around. What the hell? That dog was watching me the whole time. That son of a bitch dog. He was fucking lurking on me. Did you see that? Oh my god, dude. That car was creeping out even though that huge truck was going in. That's crazy. I'm gonna be thirsty at the top of this thing, chat. So I think we have to follow this around this way, but I want to see this lookout point. Well, that's not bad. It's not a bad view for right now. What? There's a cow coming up. Xin chào. Okay. He told me to leave. Yo, the cow is coming after me, dude. The cow is coming after me. I wasn't scared of the dogs. I was scared of the cow. Just a random ass cow came out of like a metal shed. How is that possible? Oh, these are all like rice paddies. I'm not staying here till sundown, trust me. I was just trying to climb a mountain, chat, I swear. Although look, we are getting very high up. Well, we did it. Yo, we walked from there, that tall white building, right out there to here. Damn. Get naked and shout really loudly? Okay, let me take my pants off. Pants are off? Okay. I'm on top of the world! Okay, I put my clothes back on just in time. Whew, I love being naked in nature. Okay. Should I try to go down this way? I'm surprised I don't see... Oh, shit. I don't see many snakes out here, dude. Like, I would expect that there's a shit ton of snakes right here because they'll be soaking up the sun, right? Okay, our first mountain climbed in Vietnam. Hello.
What will you do?
What is this? What flavor? Because I want that, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, how much?
$10,000.
Okay, one please. That's my boy. Is it sugar cane? Oh, it's sugar cane, but it's actually made by a reputable vendor. Hi Jay, good day. But the territory of the vegetation is not beautiful and is well kept. Wow!
Where to?
Good.
There's no comparison. On the other hand, the virus did not arrive dangerously. True, Daniela. Moon. Oh my god, dude. Look at this bad boy. Okay, is it gonna be better or worse than that other one we had? Here we go. Dude, it tastes like the same thing almost. It's a little bit cleaner tasting, but it still has that really earthy taste, chat. It is better, yes, it's better, but it still has like, okay, it still tastes like you had a piece of cinnamon toast with sugar on it and then you dropped it in the ground with a little dirt. You know what I'm saying? I don't even care if it tastes like that because I'm so dehydrated right now that I need it. Okay, there's a party store right here that I want to go into to see if they have Pokemon cards. What do we need? We're gonna check to see if they have Pokemon cards, but what else could we need? A Spider-Man mask? This monkey mask? Ape gang, baby, ape gang.
Okay.
Yeah?
Thẻ bài Pokemon. Okay.
Where? Yeah?
Tầm
This
số
thing?
5 đồ chơi bảnh coi lên.
Okay. Whoa! Look at
Chụp rồi.
that! Doraemon. Or Doraemon.
Biết rồi, ổng đang cười mà.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. Oh, Yu-Gi-Oh? Okay. Gamun.
Cảm ơn.
Gamun. Yu-Gi-Oh?
58.
58. That's expensive. Sun and Moon Unified. Should we get one of these Pokemon trays? 135K. I guess we could try one. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Okay. Oh my god, a duck hat. Thank you. Bye. Why are you sweating? What? Why don't you check the weather command and see how fucking hot it is here, dude? Pokemon trading card game, Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows. It smells like lead paint. Also, the first thing that I see off the bat, looks like we have a couple of bent cards here. Limited edition, folded on the corners. Huntail. Why does it look like a Papega with a tail? There's a lot of cards here. But we also get these fucking fake ass ones. Energy, dude. Nobody cares about these energy cards. Literally nobody. Yo, I've never heard of this Pokemon either. I swear on my life. Regirock. Damn. She thick, dude. Medicham. I don't know any of these Pokemon, man, and I don't want to go through them because I don't know them. Plusle? Sounds sexual. I'm going to read you the description and you guys guess which Pokemon it is. And if you don't know, you can make up a name. Ready? Gathering food is the work of young males. They store food in their capacious beaks and carry it back to the others waiting at the nest. What is the name of that Pokemon? Go. Peekaboo, Platypus, Manbird, Storkland, Pelicanamon. That Windra. Actually close, dude. The actual name is Pelipper. Small hooks on the bottom of its feet catch onto walls and ceilings. That is how it can hang from above. And I'll give you a hint. It's a grass type Pokemon. Batmograss. Yoshi. Big nose lizard. Okay, some people got it right. Good job, guys. It's Trico. Yeah, you guys get to see the Pokemon. So thank you guys. If you haven't followed the stream, follow the stream. All right, chat. It's been fun. I appreciate you all. Thank you guys so much.